Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you already know from the thumbnail and title, today I'm going to discuss about the process of how to become a nurse in New Zealand. So if you are a registered nurse in your home country or in the foreign country and want to become a registered nurse in New Zealand, so what steps you need to follow, we will discuss this in this video step by step. So first step is go to the New Zealand Nursing Council website and then start and then click on the International Educated Nurses. There you will find the information below. So once you are on that page, make sure you click on the International Educated Nurses and then it will provide you the steps. So step 1 is to create your account with the CGFNS. So yes, you are not going to apply directly to the New Zealand Nursing Board. First you have to create the account with the CGFNS New Zealand. So follow the page, create your account with the CGFNS New Zealand, and then you have to start creating your account. Once you create your account, you have to fill all the necessary forms on the website. It includes your personal history, identification documents. Second one is the employment history. So for employment history, they require you to complete your 1800 hours in the last 5 years to be eligible to apply to the New Zealand Board of Nursing. And third one is your education history and your initial education history, which led you to become a registered nurse in any country. And another requirement is your language proficiency. So let's discuss about the requiremental information. So for sure, New Zealand Nursing Board of Council and CGFNS both wants you to be legitimate person. So for this requirement, you can submit your passport and your driver's license in whatever country you are in. So just fill in the details, and then once you fill in the details, once you submit all the documents, CGFNS will provide you with the forms, and you have to submit your notarized document to the portal. Second one is your employment history. Sometimes CGFNS does not require you to send the employment form to your employer, but sometimes it does require. So it depends upon case to case basis. Requirement is the education requirement. So CGFNS requires you to fill your Bachelor's of Science in Nursing in order to apply to the New Zealand Board of Nursing Council. You that document to send you directly to your school, and those documents, make sure those education history forms should be submitted from your school directly to the CGFNS, not by the candidate. And again, it also depends on the individual requirement. So CGFNS did not give me any educational forms. I have to just upload my transcript and mark sheets on my own. So that's what I did. And next requirement is our language proficiency requirement. So if you are a registered nurse in UK, USA, Canada, so you do not need to provide the IELTS upfront. Upfront means at the time of your application. So another requirement by CGFNS is to fill your licensing information in whichever country you are a registered nurse. Like for example, if you are registered in nurse in Canada, of your licensing information, if the license is currently active, inactive, fill all the details. And then when you submit all of this information, CGFNS again will provide you the document in the portal or the forms which you can take to your nursing council, and then your nursing council will send these forms directly to the CGFNS. But in my case, CGFNS did not require me to send the document from one of my licensing authority from India. It only required me to send the verification document or good standing certificate from College of Nurses of Ontario from Canada. So what I did is I downloaded my form from my CGFNS online portal, filled that form. I went to the nursing authority portal in my country, like in Canada. Then I applied for the good standing certificate and submitted that form online, paid my fees, and then within 2 days my nursing authority, licensing authority, College of Nursing of Ontario, they sent the verification document to the CGFNS online, and then they verified all the information. So once you fill all the information in your CGFNS account and CGFNS receives all of the documents, then the next step is they will assign you an analyst to your documents to verify all the information. Then the analyst will create your or provide you the report. You have around 30 days in order to approve or reject your report, your name, your date of birth, your licensing authority information, your school information, and everything. If everything is correct, just go in your account, approve, and then within 24 hours, I think in my case it just took a few hours for CGFNS to send the report to the nursing board of New Zealand. So once CGFNS sends your report to the nursing council of New Zealand, they will send you an email like invitation to apply for the license, and then they will provide you the temporary ID and the password. Then you have to reset your password at the New Zealand website from the email link whichever you got, and then create your account. There you have to check all of your details, and then you have to start or continue the application. Then sign the employment history form. There will be a form again, so sign the employment history form and the declaration, and then you have to pay the fees. And then if you have any questions, you can comment down below in this video, and I will try my best to answer all of your questions. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful to you. Take care. Bye bye.